Tonight, we're getting answers about what happened before a teen was shot after going to the wrong house in Kansas City North. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Katz. Here's what we know tonight. There's now an arrest warrant out for 84-year-old Andrew D. Lester, wanted on 2 felony counts, first-degree assault and armed criminal action. The Clay County prosecutor says Lester shot 16-year-old Ralph Yarl twice through his glass front door last Thursday night. Yarl accidentally went to the wrong house to pick up his siblings. He mixed up Northeast 115th Terrace and Northeast 115th Street. We continue our team coverage tonight. Our Peyton Headley is in that neighborhood where it all happened, talking with neighbors, but we begin with KMBC9's Jackson Kurtz live outside the Clay County Courthouse in Liberty. Jackson, you've read through court documents. Did the prosecutor say why it took so long to file charges?
Well, Chris, Clay County prosecutors says before they were given the case from Kansas City Police, more had to be done to charge Lester, like get a witness statement and lab results. The probable cause here gives us more of a glimpse into what happened that night when Ralph Yarl was shot. We now know that Andrew Lester arrived at KCPD headquarters that night to provide a statement. He told police that he had just laid down in his bed when he heard the doorbell ring. That's when Lester says he picked up his gun, a .32 caliber revolver, before getting to his door. Lester says he opened his interior door and saw a black man about 6 feet tall. That was Yarl trying to open his exterior glass door. He believed someone was trying to break in. He shot twice within a few seconds through the glass. Lester then says Yarl ran away and he called 911. Lester stated that no words were exchanged during the incident and said the shooting 16-year-old Ralph Yarl was the last thing he wanted to do, but he was scared. Now, Ralph Yarl also told police what he says happened that night as well. He says once he arrived at the home, he walked up to the door, pressed the doorbell, and then waited to answer. Yarl said it took a long time for the man to come to the door, but once he did, he had a firearm and immediately shot him in the head and fell to the ground. Yarl says he was then shot a second time in the arm while he was on the ground. He told police he did not pull the door and ran away to keep from being shot. Now, Yarl says the man told him, "Don't come around here." Yarl then went to multiple houses to ask for help until someone finally called 911.
My message to the community is that in Clay County, we enforce the laws and we follow the laws, and that does not matter where you come from or what you look like or how much money you have. Everyone is held to the same standard.
Now, it is important to note that on the night of the shooting, Clay County Prosecutor's Office advised KCPD to release Lester pending further investigation. As we mentioned, they were still waiting for more things to charge him officially.